What's the meaning of collider? Collider. Collider.
Collider. Collider. In physics, a collider is a type of particle accelerator that uses electromagnetic fields to accelerate particles to very high energies and smash them into each other. The collisions produce new subatomic particles that can help scientists understand the fundamental nature of matter and energy. A collider typically consists of a circular tunnel containing magnetic and electric fields that guide particle beams around the ring. When the beams collide at high speeds, they release enormous amounts of energy and create secondary particles that can be detected and studied. Colliders are a key tool for exploring the mysteries of the universe at the smallest scales.